Welcome. Hope you have fun.
Hi guys, welcome to episode 3 of the SQL series. So last time we found out how you can make a table. We went over the important syntaxes and some other stuff. Now we're gonna see how you can show the table. So to do that, select star, aka apostrophe, and apostrophe means all in SQL language. Select all from tutorial because I name literally everything tutorial. These are my other tables. I mean other databases. See tutorial. And this is also called tutorial. So select start from tutorial. Now as you can see, this stuff is blank. Don't drag anything. Yeah, but this stuff is all blank. It only has the column names. Now let's see how to insert. Insert into tutorial, you bracket. So we have student name. Let's call him, Jonathan. Jonathan. Jonathan, and he's in grade 9. Oh, and also you have to put the 9 in backticks. Jonathan, he's in grade 9. His school fee is let's say 3999.99. Backticks again. Any number should be in backticks. Bus fee. So our bus fee can be um hold on, let's say 59.59. And now if we execute that, we'll probably get a syntax here. So hold on, let me fix this error. So I'm gonna pause this video. Okay, so I found the issue. I went up to ChatGPT, and it turns that we have to enter what the column names are. So the column names should be what are our column names anyway? So to show our column names, just make sure you're hovering over the table and click on this Excel spreadsheet with the lightning bolt on. Yep, there we go. So first one is call student name. Column 2 is student grade. So I'm just gonna quickly fill these details out. I'm gonna pause the record. So I'm just gonna enter a dummy, like a fake phone number. Let's say +1 245 918 43417. Backticks, probably that should work. Okay, so let's see. Let's see if this worked. Okay, so I will try to fix this. So it turns out that phone numbers are supposed to be in single quotes, not backticks. Good to know. Now does this work? What? Why does this give me a warning? Okay, so if I select R from, yeah, moment, let me see what this says. And I'm gonna share this with you guys. Data truncated for column fee error. Okay, well, let's see what this says. From table. What is this give us? Okay, well, phew, the warning was nothing. Phew. So student name was Jonathan. Student grade is grade 9. School fee. Hold on, what? What are the columns? Copy it. Uh, okay, so I'm gonna quickly pause this video.